What's up, y'all? This is the Roommate Investor. Today I just wanted to talk to y'all very briefly about debt because I recently posted a video about my real estate business and I've been receiving a lot of mostly good comments, but some comments mixed. So I just kind of wanted to break down a little bit what I actually meant when I said that I need to pay off some debt. If you haven't seen that video, you could just click the link right here. You could watch that video and then you could come back to this video. So basically, I became a millionaire through debt. But when I say debt, I'm not talking about like shoes and just like stupid random things. Most of my debt is debt that I created through real estate. I'm not saying there's a right way, wrong way. You know, a lot of people teach a lot of different things, but this is just what I did, what I believe, and what I do. So when I said I had debt, some extra debt that I wanted to pay off, it's because, you know, in real estate, you sometimes buy deals using different strategies, whether you're playing or messing around with credit cards, whether you're getting personal loans, whether you're, you know, getting loans from other people. It's so many ways that you can get money through real estate. So when I said pay off debt, I really was just talking about for those specific situations where I might have, for example, used a HELOC. And now I have a HELOC balance, say $40,000. I would like to get that $40,000 HELOC balance down, for example. But my real estate is paying for the debt. It's not like the HELOC is just there and I'm coming out of my pocket $500. The rent that's coming in is paying for that HELOC and it's covering the monthly payment. I just want to get it down so it's not there anymore. So most of my debt was built through real estate, but I also have some extra debt. For example, I went to college. I still have student loans. But the student loans allowed me to get a six-figure job and become an engineer, for example. So when I was talking about getting laid off and paying off extra debt, this was the debt that I was talking about. And this is how a lot of rich people, you know, are able to become successful and keep going. They're getting assets and then they're pulling debt off their assets to buy more and continue to grow their portfolio. Then they put it in a trust and then they pass the trust down to their kids and never pay taxes, things like that. I'm not a financial guru. I haven't done that piece yet. So I guess you have good debt and bad debt, however you want to call it. I just say debt. I didn't clarify in the video, oh, good debt, bad debt, things like that. But I guess a lot of people, when you get to the level that I've made it to in real estate, of course you're going to have, if you want to move fast, of course you're going to have to. My motto is to move quickly. And so by moving quickly, I'm taking out loans, taking out HELOCs, cash out refinances. I'm, you know, using credit cards or using personal loans or using private money lenders and things like that. So like I said, there's no really right way or wrong way to do real estate. Dave Ramsey would preach, you know, don't do it like this. For me, it works. And maybe for someone else, maybe they want to save $100,000, buy a house, and then go save $100,000 again. To me, that doesn't make sense, but I mean, you can choose whichever way you want to choose. So I just wanted to clarify that because a lot of people have some, I'm not gonna say negative comments, but maybe they just don't understand what I meant when I said debt. But anyone in real estate understands. So I'm not taking it personal. You know, we're just here to kind of like learn, teach, and grow and things like that. So yeah, if you have any questions, definitely just let me know. Let me know what you think about this video. Definitely check out my other videos if you're interested in real estate and growing a real estate business.